Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies, so I have no additional information other than what is listed in the job posting. I simply share the opportunities I come across online. Today's job lead is from the company Global Medical Response. They are hiring a wage and time administrator, basically a payroll clerk. I wanted to share this opportunity because I wanted to bring a little bit something different. I am always looking for different opportunities to share with you. A lot of the work from home jobs and careers are either in customer service or the healthcare field or data entry. So I'm always wanting to try to mix it up and bring something different. Now this, you do not have to have a degree in any kind of finance for. So they are basically looking for someone to be responsible for the coordination, tracking, and documentation of all aspects of timekeeping on a divisional and regional level for the employees that they have. They're looking for someone to ensure that the edits and maintenance of all their timekeeping systems attribute related to their employee maintenance occur in a timely manner, that they receive, verify, and update Kronos schedules, and file all time exception forms. Now, Kronos is a timekeeping software system. We use it in the company that I work for. They're looking for someone to reconcile all time card exceptions as missed punches, late punches, early punches, someone to perform PTO audits on individual employees and send any PTO adjustment forms to the wage and time supervisor. They're looking for someone to calculate and prepare all manual check request forms and forward them to the supervisor for approval, and perform any other duties as assigned. So for this position, they are looking for someone who has 2 years experience in timekeeping or other field operational position. So you don't have to have direct timekeeping experience. Someone who has great oral, written, and interpersonal communication skills. Someone who has Kronos timekeeping knowledge is helpful but not required. They are looking for someone who can use Microsoft Excel very well, and they need someone who understands commonly used payroll concepts, practices, and procedures such as FLSA, overtime laws, all of that good stuff. Now, the good thing about this job is that it is listed as remote, and there are no state restrictions listed in the job posting. So it looks like this should be remote anywhere in the United States. And the starting salary for this position is anywhere from $20 an hour up to $23 an hour. The company also offers a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, and vision coverage. They include paid time off, disability plans, paid holidays, and 401k retirement plans. If this job was not a great fit for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, along with any education and experience that you have. I am always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.